In this video, you'll learn how to delete a column in your database in Notion, so you can keep your workspace clean and organized. First, find the column you want to remove. Move your cursor to the top of that column and click on its heading. A menu will appear with several options related to that property. Scroll all the way down until you see Delete Property. Click on it and then confirm by selecting Delete again. Once you do this, the column will be removed from your database immediately. This method works the same for any property type, whether it's text, select, multi-select, date, or any other column. If you need to remove more columns, just repeat the same process for each one. Deleting columns is a simple but effective way to tidy up your database and keep only the information you really need. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.